found the ribbons at the thrift store. Begin by taking some glue and then taking the ribbon string and go right around the base slowly of the bottle, making sure it sticks to it because it's really slippery. Just a little bit at a time. It may seem like I put a lot there, but just a little bit. And it's clear, so it will dry clear. I was deciding if I wanted to try the glue gun, and that's why you see me here trying to use the glue gun, but I decided to continue using the craft glue so it could stay flat. So keep wrapping all the way around till you reach the end of the base and you're finished. Glue, wrap, glue, wrap. Added some marble just to give the bottle a little stability. It's an option. You don't have to add anything, but if you do, you could add beads or you could add some stones, and that's it. Just like you with the red. What do you think, guys? Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more videos like this. Have fun just being creative. Till next time with Jan. Bye. Happy holidays.